Information carries no special authority within itself. When a painting is put to use, its meaning is either modified or totally changed. It is not a question of reproduction failing to reproduce certain aspects of an image faithfully. It is a question of reproduction making it possible, even inevitable, that an image will be used for many different purposes. And that the reproduced image, unlike an original work, can lend itself to them all. Many images can be recognized by their two-dimensional shape on single photographs. When viewed in the third dimension, still other shapes can be recognized. Relative size is also important. Because of it, a chicken coop would not be confused with a barn or a merchantable tree with a shrub. In contrast to map making, which is an objective problem susceptible to machine solution and production, photo interpretation has a substantial subjective element in it. While images may be measured on the photograph, and while such pictorial elements as tone and texture can be referred to on a standard scale for naming and quantifying, the basic question of what is it, requires human experience and intelligence for its answer. The otherness of caterpillars, as of our own bodies, is an otherness underlain by a principal identity. The non-humanity of wildflowers, as of the deepest levels of our own minds, exists within a system which includes and transcends the human. In the given realm of the inner and outer not self, we are all one. In the homemade realm of symbols we are separate and mutually hostile partisans. Thanks to words, we have been able to rise above the brutes, and thanks to words, we have often sunk to the level of the demons.